Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start fast. Make sure the iPhone has at least 10% battery and take off any case or screen protector so you can rule out physical interference. Once done, wipe the screen with a microfiber cloth to remove oils that block capacitive touch and visually inspect for cracks that need repair. Now perform a force restart. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This clears temporary software hangs that often cause unresponsiveness. Once the restart finishes, you move into diagnostics. Disable reachability and toggle assistive touch to see if software accessibility features are interfering with touch. Next, connect the iPhone to a computer and open Finder or iTunes. If the device is recognized, try updating iOS first. This preserves data, or restoring as a last resort because it reinstalls system files that may be corrupt. Also examine the liquid contact indicator and think back to any recent drops. Hardware faults often masquerade as touch failures, so make sure to note those findings. If software fixes fail, you proceed to repair. A damaged digitizer or loose connector is common. Replace the screen assembly or have a technician do it because the digitizer and display are integrated. Make sure to use Apple or a certified repair to preserve true tone and calibration when applicable. If water damage is suspected, power off and avoid charging. Seek professional service. Finally, back up any data if possible, and if issues persist, get a professional diagnostic to avoid further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.